Hello guys, it's me, Tao My Team, and today's video we will make the moist banana cake. And these are our ingredients. So meron tayong bananas. And this time we will be using the overripe bananas. They have been frozen and defrosted. Because they said it will be sweeter than the fresh one. We have the cake flour. Then we have the baking soda. Iodized salt, we'll be using a teaspoon later on. I also added the vanilla powder since we don't have the vanilla extract. Oil, you can also use butter. We also have fresh milk and yogurt, eggs, and brown sugar. And our last toppings later on raisins and almonds. Let's get started. Balatan lamang ang saging and mash them. I used 2.5 flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and iodized salt. Adding brown sugar and oil, fresh milk, and our yogurt. Vanilla powder, eggs, and let's mix them. Raisins, and almonds. Mix, and mixed them well. And now we're ready.